This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can adjust the prompts or system volume or system sounds volume on this device. In the beginning, take your action pad and open the camera preview. Now swipe downwards from the top edge of the screen to launch control panel. Here, tap at the speaker looking icon or sound looking icon to open the volume selection or volume adjustment menu. Now you can set the sounds volume anywhere between high, medium, low, or muted altogether. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.